let's get into it. Ripple ISDA, Ripple and ISDA, which is a very large derivatives market, are partnered together. Why? So that Ripple can provide them with processes in order to use cryptocurrency in their $1.2 quadrillion market. That's going to be worth a lot of money. Now, we also have billionaires coming out and saying that there's a monetary reset underway, and right now it looks like the 1930s. The economy is going nuts. Crypto is dumping. Everything's dumping. That's due to the GDP report. We're not paying attention to it, though, because we have a solution. I'm going to tell you something that you might, it might be a little bit scary. The Federal Reserve, they had $5 trillion in reserves on July 31st. They had to give Brazil $2 trillion. That means they have $3 trillion. What does the Federal Reserve hold? They hold mortgages. Well, if this keeps up, we only have 3 months of the Federal Reserve being able to operate, which is probably why that Federal Reserve master account is definitely going to be granted. When the Federal Reserve master account is granted, in addition to Ripple becoming a bank, in addition to that Clarity Act being passed, according to Google, all FedNow and FedWire payments will now start going through RippleNet. Why would they do that? Everybody's de-dollarizing. Everybody's de-dollarizing. They don't want US dollars. This is the majority. Just look it up. There's a huge list. But instead, they want crypto. Also, XRP provides on-demand liquidity. That is the big thing about XRP, is the on-demand liquidity. I love you guys. There is so many good things coming up. Ripple is actually offering yield. They're working on that. They're going to be able to offer yield on RippleNet to the XRP army, because institutions are going to need to borrow our XRP. That would indicate supply shock, unless I'm just being completely and totally hopium up in here. So it's going to be a good time. You guys, we're watching, we're waiting, we're anticipating. I'm going to get back to on-call. I love you. All we need to do is hold on. We have 55 days left until November 22nd. Maybe we wait until the 23rd. Maybe we wait until December. But the moment that the chartered bank goes through, the Clarity Act passes, and that Federal Reserve master account is granted, we're going to see things that we've never seen before. I love you. Stop looking at the price. You're going to give yourself an ulcer. It's going to be a good time.